Teesside.
And it's a slippy one.
On the grass there, walking. Swap.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another track day. You join us at Teesside Autodrome. It's me and Spence down here, and we've got the Furious Frog, and it's absolutely minging, and that's just from driving down here. We've also got some little things to test out. We've got the oil cooler, we've got the radiator, all the stuff on the last few videos, so we're going to keep an eye on them and see what the temperatures are like. Now it is cold today, it's about, what 9 degrees you said before?
I don't think it's that yet, mate.
It's not that.
It's not that yet.
I think there's still ice on the track as well, so yeah, so we've got all them things to try out. We've done some base mapping on the Ignitron, it's going alright, but we're having some issues with boost control, which we'll probably get into later.
We need boost, basically.
We need boost, so we're really struggling with it. But apart from that, the car's running mint, so let's see if we can get some decent footage and get some decent laps in, eh?
Yeah.
Dip clutch, bro. Start it up. What doing? I don't know. What doing? All over the road. Slip inside. Absolute ice rink, man. On the grass there, walking. Swap.
Obviously you haven't got a clue.
What a dude.
Trying to perfect that corner.
Clutch, bro, clutch. Right, he's letting you go, he's letting you go. Do you want to do a cool down lap and get in?
You.
Aye, I'm feeling dizzy. I'm feeling dizzy, we've turned round too many times.
Spenny can't take it.
I'm not a good passenger. I don't mind driving. Passenger with this loony bin that tries to do donuts. What's this?
They'll come off.
Ah, little buffoot, eh?
What the old tyre marks in the car.
I'm wondering how this one can possibly say was my fault. I reckon it's the extra weight in the vehicle.
The weight in the car.
Too much weight on one side, that's what it is. Yeah.
It was stable before you got in the car.
No, like that was you driving.
No, I honestly don't think it was.
Nah, I think it was.
Without doubt, when I first went out, it was a lot more planted. And then as soon as you got in the car, that's it.
So it's because I was in the car.
Yeah.
He done that into the tyres.
But the really good thing though is that the oil cooler is working absolutely mint. Don't see oil temperatures over 90-95 now, and I've been giving this some stick. So obviously the radiator, you can hear the fans going now, so the fans are mint.
My arm's aching and I'll know.
It's literally driving absolutely brilliant. The pit crew mechanic earning his money there.
Yeah.
Should come off now, should it? All because someone forgot the fill on that car.
Nah, useless sod he is.
Paint a pit crew with you, Spence.
I don't blame the pit crew, bro. I blame the driver.
The event organiser.
Aye.
I will do, mate, thanks.
Mush going to demonstrate how to turn round on a racetrack again.
At the same time as going fast. Final session of the day then. It's went really well actually, hasn't it?
Apart from being bitterly cold.
Freezing, I know, right? But we'll see if we can get some decent footage this one. Spencer's coming in as a passenger again. God help.
you're going to do it next time.
Right.
It really isn't pleasant. Total feeling of uncontrol. It's like being on a merry-go-round. You know, like a Hoppins round.
So it's not the driving, it's just the experience.
No, it's just you're not in control. That's the only dislike.
Oh wow. Well, it'll not be the fastest track day we've ever done. Certainly not the best organised or anything like that, but it was a lot of fun though, I'll tell you that.
But the most spin outs.
Easily the most spin outs.
Easy.
I mean, I think I've only had this car spin out, what, once or twice? I had a feeling that it was really planted, like a really, really well planted car. And it's just slippy as anything today, which meant that the back end was coming out constantly. I haven't even seen the footage, but I've got a feeling that's going to be good because it's just going to be me giving all that, and hopefully we've got some decent footage of the flybys as well, so you can see the back end kicking out, because it did it all day. And it's nothing to do with like the crap handling in the car or anything. Every single car out there, front wheel drive, rear wheel drive, all of it did it, didn't it?
It's literally
Absolutely every one of them.
Down at the bottom of South Bank, as you come out of South Bank, it's just like ice still.
It is literally just a sheet of ice, and I wouldn't mind as well, you know, that was probably one of the most predictable corners.
Yeah.
Just because it was slippy, so you back off a bit and you just take it easy and you come out the corner.
The bus stop, it's just, you can literally every time you're coming round is a slip.
Because that's the high speed sharp bend, isn't it? And there's not much you can do about that. The back end's going to go out, and it just makes it loads of fun. You know, you certainly, it's not going to be the cleanest, it's not going to be the fastest, anything like that, but it was probably one of the best track days we've been.
I think we just thoroughly enjoyed ourselves.
Thoroughly enjoyed it. Spence didn't like being a passenger. Like.
No, not at all.
No,
I can't stand being a passenger, and I'm going to make him suffer next time track day. I'm really going to make him suffer.
What about
you
that?
think rod bending's going to happen? It's going to be more than that.
And it's been absolutely freezing all day. I've got a snotty beak still. It's crazy. But the car, wow, I mean, the car just performed absolutely brilliant. The Ignitron ECU, absolutely superb. The fact that we've been able to jump in, set this up, it's not exactly how we want it to be, but it's punchy, it's very fast, and it's, you know, completely safe. We kept an eye on it all day. It's just been brilliant. And the fact that our oil temps are great, our water temps are great, the car's hardly used a bit of oil. It's just been superb. Fantastic track day. Hopefully the footage has been good so you can see it too.
Will be.
So thanks very much for watching, and see you on the next time. Well, the drivers have got some work to do, but the car, that did awesome today. Just awesome.